Hello jazz lovers, how are you today? In this video, I will discuss how to edit contemporary photo like selebgram, Instagram filter, brown Christmas color effect using Adobe Photoshop. Thank you for joining the JS Studio channel, the place for creative, innovative, and inspirational people. And see you again with me, Jimmie Sinarta Digital Artist, in the Photoshop tutorial segment. I will share a premium preset that you can download for free, which I have included the link in the description. And to open it, please enter in the password which I have provided in this video. So please watching this video until it finishes that you can find the password. For those who are just watching this channel, please click the subscribe button in the lower right corner of this video so that I am even more excited about making video content to be interesting. Alright, let's start the tutorial. Okay friend, let's click the filter and camera raw filter. And always click this, and I have to change the temperature is -2 and the tint is 0. And the exposure, I will change to 0.4. Contrast is 17. And highlight is -45. And the shadow is 29. The white is -35. And the black is -20. And the texture is 20, and the clarity is 14, the haze is 14, and the vibrant is 16, and the saturation always 0. And the basic was finished, and let's get the curves. And always I'm setting it edit point curve, and the setting is like this. And the setting of the curve is like this. Let's do next. The detail. The sharpening, I'm setting it 16. Noise reduction is 15. And color noise reduction is 22. Okay. Let's check up on color mixture. In the red, the hue, I'm setting it 19. Saturation is -22, and luminance is setting it 0. Next, the orange. The orange, our always setting is 0. Let's the yellow. The yellow is saturation is -100. Next, the greens. And hue, I'm setting it -100. The saturation is -9. Okay, next, the aqua. The aqua, I'm setting it, saturation is -100, and the other is 0. Next, the blue. In the blue, hue, I'm setting it -28. Next, the saturation is minus 42. And the luminance is minus 50. Next, the purple. Purple is saturation minus 100. And the magenta, I not setting it. And next, the split tuning. For highlights, the split tuning, the highlight, I'm setting it 201. And saturation is 2. And balance, I'm not setting it. Shadow, I'm done setting it. Okay, next, the effect. The effects for the vignette, I'm setting it minus 20. And let's check again. I think it's all okay. And I press OK. And the result is this. It's very most wonderful. Okay friend, this tutorial have finished. The tutorial at this time is finished. If this video is very useful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave the comment. And don't forget to click the bell symbol so that friend always get notification if there is a new video from us. Finally, I'm Jimmie Sinarta Digital Artist. Excuse myself. Keep the spirit, keep healthy, and keep working. See you again in the next video. See you next time. Bye bye.